small titty getting hit to the face, I think that's a winner.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notifications icon so that you know when I upload. And I really hope that you enjoyed that brand new intro. Leave me a comment and let me know if you did or didn't like it. So you all absolutely loved that last video, and actually it got me back into the YouTube partnership program. So I used to be monetized back in the day, and now I went a long time without being monetized because I quit posting. I am now partially monetized again. What that means is we're going to be soon offering a membership program, or I'm considering at least doing a membership program. As we grow, we may do some merchandise and things of that nature. So basically it'll be like a 3-tier type membership, and you will get, you know, whatever perks on the first level for the cheapest amount, those perks plus more on the second, and those perks plus more on the third. So if you all have any suggestions at all what I could offer, please leave me a comment and let me know. So something that I had in mind was maybe that we could set up something for donations, and I could just give the money away randomly to whoever I feel like deserves it. So whether it's guys that I ride with, or whether it's just a stranger out in public or whatever, I do really enjoy helping people, so I think that would be a really cool way to give back to everyone else. So let me know if you all like that idea or not. We could also give to specific charities or specific local places, maybe like a homeless shelter, something like that. Maybe we could buy the whole restaurant food. I don't know. The possibilities are endless with that. So please let me know what you think in the comments. Now on the last ride, I actually bent an upper control arm on my 2024 Razor Turbo R4, and I haven't replaced it. I bent it so badly that the control arm was rubbing the shock itself. So I actually ended up having to cut, open, and re-weld that. Hopefully it holds up. Really, I just wanted to make sure that we were able to make it on this New Year's ride with all the buddies. And I think it'll be a good time. Fingers crossed that the control arm holds up very well. Hopefully I can get that replaced with some CA Tech high clearance control arms, upper and lower. If you have an affiliation with them, let me know, because any discount is going to help, because those things are expensive. Or maybe some L&W high clearance control arms. Or if you have any brand recommendations, please let me know. I am going to do my best to continue to up the quality on these videos, and maybe to spend more time editing and to try to get better thumbnails. So please give me some criticism in the comments. I would love to know how you think that I can improve my channel. I really hope you enjoy the video. What's up, man? What's up?
How much, alright?
Pretty good, man. I seen you got the matching ratchet straps.
Yes, sir.
Did you get them off to TikTok or their website?
Both. So my man hooked me up.
Got you something else. Guess what it is?
I don't know.
You probably would never guess.
Bro, you're probably right.
Let me just...
Oh, Lord. What in the world?
Clearly it's beet juice.
What you got there, bud?
I don't know. Smells heavenly. That's good.
The trost. He was like, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna drink it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That was mighty good.
I figured you'd like that.
Hell yeah.
Now, as far as not breaking the container, good luck.
I got something for you as well.
I done told you didn't have to give me nothing.
There you go.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, nice, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Anytime. We are going to do a little top speed run right here and see who can get the top speed, I guess. Got a camera in there. Try to get the speedometer with it. Don't know how far back he's going to start down there, but hopefully by the time that he reaches right here, he'll be at his top speed. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh. How? All right, let's take guesses. How fast do you think he was going?
I'd say at least probably 65 because they can go, what, 70?
I'm not even sure.
His goes, yeah.
I would.
No,
I
I'd
would.
say he can go faster than that because that's what this one tops out at.
I would say he's probably going 65. That'll be my guess.
68.
68. What y'all's guess?
65.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna say 60.
All right.
I'm being a low
Wait.
baller. I'm being a low baller.
He'll roll up and it'll be like 85. You're like, damn.
50.
His winch is hanging down.
That was the full send.
You were freaking hauling, dude. What'd you hit?
I don't know. We'd have to go back on that camera to find out.
You were freaking cooking. Oh my gosh. So when you went up past us, we guessed your speedometer, or we guessed your speed. So what would you guess he was going?
He might have been doing like 60, 65 maybe.
My guess for you was 65.
I'm gonna say 52.
I was over 60 down there.
Was you? Oh my gosh. Okay.
I kind of thought it was gonna be closer to 70 on his, but then everybody's like, well, we don't know how fast it goes. So then I was like, I don't know, maybe it wasn't
Last
that
I
fast.
looked at
but
mine, I was over 60.
it was
Okay.
flying.
Yeah. Yeah, you were cooking,
Yeah.
dude.
Damn, that was a four-wheel drive.
That's what yeah, I'd keep it in four-wheel drive for that.
Oh, 50 miles an hour.
50?
Yeah.
Oh
Mine-
man, I was so close.
I've done mine in two-wheel. You want me to do it again in four-wheel?
Holy
I'd say four-wheel would be
See what a
faster.
difference it makes?
50
Anytime I
is
pay for
it.
history,
Really?
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
two-wheel I feel like it'd be faster.
Really? You might have less control though.
But the launch would be harder on
Yeah.
two-wheel.
So yeah, 50 was it.
I was guessing 55.
You could do it in two-wheel and compare it like he was talking about.
Yeah.
See what the difference is.
That's true. Let's do it real quick.
All right. Oh, he's cooking. $51. Hey, you picked up 1 mile an hour?
It looks faster.
Man,
sketchier.
It was all over the place though.
So
Yeah.
it's the front drive line and two front tires. It didn't make that big of a difference.
So yours was in two or four-wheel drive?
Two-wheel.
Two? Okay.
But man, that sucker was all over the place though.
Sketchy. Did you want to do another one in four?
I'll do it in four.
All right. So he's going to do a run 2. This time he's going to be in four-wheel drive. Holy crap, dude.
I got hit.
Was he going faster or slower?
Faster.
Think so?
Yeah.
I would maybe say 68.
That's what I said last time.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know what he did the first time. I'll have to put it up on the screen.
I'll
He was
say
zooming.
71.
71? Okay.
So at least somebody's in the 70s.
Oh dang, dude, you're zooming.
It was 69.
69. Hey, my guess on that one was 68. you got that nickname. Skid plate. You might want to put her in 4. You know it's real when he's tightening up that harness.
You gotta stay strapped in.
Yeah.
Jump it off. Jump it off there. Come on now.
Just hanging around?
Hanging around.
Pause. All right. A little bit. Go very slow. Slow.
There's no slow in this thing.
Your passenger tire's off the ground.
Yeah.
to go over a little more.
I think your rock slider just saved you from tipping.
Shove it up.
It just sat you right on that rock.
Yeah, it just like sat right down perfect on it. Ryan really said, "Get out of my way, that's too easy." Dude, that thing makes a lot of stuff look easy with them damn tires on it.
Yeah. It's a good machine the way it's built.
Underpowered.
Do you need harder trails, sir?
I think everybody and their brother had a Honda 4-wheeler.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And this dude was the roughest one I've ever seen on a Honda.
Pick it up and send it like that other one.
get myself
Everybody.
tattooed or something.
Yeah.
You need to bring his motherfucker more often. Right?
Be like,
Here we
okay,
go.
I
okay,
figured
good.
you'd like it.
3 times. It started with a titty.
We all
I mean,
need
I
some
guess I
kind
could get a leg tattoo. I ain't got one in yet.
of- You gonna learn, but
Everybody gets it on the same leg.
Yeah.
Big old thigh piece.
And then you like, it's like, you know, like the arms in thing, but it's like the knees in.
And then as it
Get
goes
it to
on,
where
we
it
can just add on
moves.
to it. Like all of us have like some crazy
Yeah, like
picture. or
Kinda
the
something.
way
like
that
it
your
says
leg
on it.
moves, like the titty slaps him or
Yeah,
something.
exactly. I think that'd be great. That'd be awesome. Grandma titty getting hit in the face. I think that's a winner. Yeah, I don't think there's any topping that.
I was going to put my new intro in, but that might be it.
Oh, you're recording?
I should have been recording the whole thing.
Oh man, you're like, what's wrong with these motherfuckers?
Brain damage from a grandma titty. Geriatric beatdown.
Oh.
I might just use the audio from that, start the video with a black screen, and then as you say it, it like writes it on the screen.
I think it'd be funnier with BB standing there as he's saying it.
Yeah.
What if I got a real close up while you say it?
I don't know if I can now. I don't know what to say now.
So many grandma fans.
Getting slapped with grandma.
Only grand.
Only grannies.
only grannies subscribe to this. My friend John here, he's single. He's looking to get hit in the face by a granny titty. When you love to rub your titty against that, give him a call. His number's
555.
Puts his actual number on here.
oh god.
If you're a grandmother and you want to smack John with your titty, comment below.
220. Shut
At
your mouth.
www.onlygrands.com.
/John.
We're offering a $15 commission.
These Can-Am parts.
Yeah. Yep.
They ain't cheap.
Yeah.
See these new tires? I need help for them. Oh god.
It's like, you know, the meme. It's a dude sitting there on the bed and grandma standing there in her underwear. So how bad do you want that cage?
That is exactly. Oh, we need to find that and put his face on it.
Yeah. I'll have to put like a screenshot of it in there.
Says, now let's go get you that custom cage.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna
Wheeling
wrap
and
it.
dealing. Dang it, we missed our opportunity.
Yep.
Well, the way the night's progressing, there's going to be more.
Yeah. Not use
Stand here
John.
long
Yeah.
enough.
Unlike her.
Unlike her, yeah. This is
Titty
great.
older than World War II, but she's coming out to play, son.
We'll go as far as 19.
Oh, 1.
20.
1920.
Were you around during Prohibition? We need
Slapped in
you.
the face by a 104-year-old.
Almost 105.
When it smacks you, it needs to go.
Turns into dust.
Clean that dust out. Son.
Ah.
Slap the dust out from underneath it.
We need the hot tub.
The intro is just Brian.
Just saying random stuff with no context at all. Yeah.
Can we have some more content?
What else you got?
Gotta spit on that thing.